So from the syllable, we're supposed to make a simple map, which I decided to make a full functional professional map, putting this whole thing into perspective. I did just show you how to make a simple map, show you how to edit label, which we did in that video, right? And we've done advanced editing like the one we break it and then that's converting it to graphics. Then, yeah, and then we've done how to add other data in Legend. We've done changing layout size and print. We did map setup now. So now what we have left is study area map. Alright. So the study area map is no longer anything serious because we've done that from the very beginning of the class, but just that we didn't do it as a study area map. So now, you add the data. You can add your chart data you download. So you add the states, add the local government. Which one is that? The local government or is the state? You add the state to it. That's the state now. This is the local government. And this is more like the district, maybe a ward. Okay. So, but we're going to focus on just the first two. All right. So now once you have this, now go to insert and add data frame. Data frame. Yes, the first one. Click on it, add another one. So making it 3 data frames altogether. So now, study area 3 is okay like that. Now, all of this, the one that is showing dark is actually the activated one. If you want to activate the first one, you right click on it and click activate, so everything will show. Right? Not you right click on the layer and activate, click on activate, it will show. Now what we want to do is, when you're producing study area map, it shows you from the country to the state and then to where your study area is, whether it's a local government, right? In that state. Almost like times when it's the whole country or something. Now, we want to do selection. We have to select out. Let's say you select out your states now. What are you bringing? What are you bringing? It's okay. And then click on this select tool. I believe you don't forget now. See, you don't even know where the select tool is. Click on it. Select the state of your choice. But that is not the state. You select that as a local government. That's why I say you should remove the local government, uncheck it. Now I see selecting just a state. Okay? So I'm going to select Kaduna State since we're inside Kaduna, right? So Thank you. Now you right click on the state, on the state layer now. Then export it. There are also two ways. Okay, let's export this one first. We want to have it as state, right? Click on save and okay. Alright. Now, there's instances where with this selection, you remember we went to right click, we go to properties, and then under the properties, we are going to make a selection out of it by going to display. No, not this. Do display selection. Not display. Selection. Then with this symbol, using the selection color specified in the option. Let's say we pick this color for it. Okay. Now, yes, there's another way we can make a selection. That's what I'm trying to do. Selection. See selection, the third line. Then with this color, you just select any color. With this color down, select any color of your choice. Yeah. Okay. Now, when you remove the first one like this, you're going to see. But where is the color you selected? You didn't select the right thing. This is what you're right clicking, not the state. Where you're right clicking, then you select the color. Do you get? Now, why I did that? No, I'm just showing the second way. The first one is to use this, isn't it? It's to use this one. That's the first one. That's you have to export it. Now the second one is to have this. You can just easily make this same one without creating any layer. You can make this selection on it. All right. So now we move this one down. Then now the next is we want to know which local government we're working on. So bring the local government files, isn't it? So inside, yes. So you uncheck the name one. And uncheck it. Now, which local government? You know the state you selected, right? So which local government are you going to use? So I'm going to use Kaduna North and South. So you select the local government you want. I want to use Kaduna North and South, which is these two. So I'm making that selection. I've selected already like this. So I'm going to export this Kaduna North and South, just like we did before. So I just make another selection. Which one I want to select? This one. That's all. Okay. So you now right click on the name 2 and export it. Name 2? Yeah. Is it not name 1? 2. Share is local government we're working on. Name 2. Card. I'm just going to leave it as Kaduna, isn't it? You write the name of the local government now. So now you move the state and the local government down. . isn't it? Now, also for the final thing, still on the first one, you select all the local government that are in that state. So now we'll use select by attributes. So you go to selections up here. See selections. Selection, this one up here, then select by attribute. Then selecting by attribute, we're using name 2. You change it to name 2. Go up and change the. Be looking at me and looking at your own, not that you just be listening. This is what we are working on, isn't it? So the thing is going to be name 1 equals to get unique value. So what's the name of that state? This state. You don't know, you just made selection. Are you even sure this is a state? Are you sure this is a state or a local government?
It's a local government here now.
So where is the state completely?
The state completely from here, I think it becomes something like that.
There are only 3 local governments inside. So we can just, yours in your case, we can just do like this. So these are the local government. So we export them. So you right click and export them in your case. Export them. So me, in my case, I'm going to use select by attribute because you must know the local government you're working on. So I say name 1 equals to get unique value, and I'm going to select Kaduna State.
I should leave it like
Save it as the name of that state. I don't know what's the name of the state. So you must select what you know, Sha. So now, see, I use select by attribute. This is the whole local government in Kaduna. And I'm going to right click. Yes. And explain. I'll explain, then name it Kaduna LG. I'll just say Kaduna G. Now, I have everything that I need for study area map. Alright? Now we'll remove the down how? Yes, you're bringing it down also. Bringing it here. Yeah, bringing it here. So we have everything we need. So now we can now move into layout view now. Go to layout view. Yes. Are you in layout view? So now, in layout view, you have 3 view layouts, which is this, and this. So now this is the country data, so you make it smaller. Alright, then you just do it like this. This is the local government. You do it like this. Isn't it? And then this is the study area. You position it. The right way, isn't it? You can make this smaller. This smaller so that this is your study area. It should be bigger. Alright?
Yes.
So all you need to do is to do zoom to extent, move this up, isn't it? Now this needs also the state boundary, or the country boundary also around it. So where is the country boundary? The state now. Abi, this is the state, right? So bring this down. No. Bring it here, yes. So we just make it coming. Alright, are you getting what I'm doing? You're not getting it? We need this country boundary here to be able to do what we're doing, right? So now we use this select fit thing now. Then we use span tool to make it just like we did the last time. The purpose is so that we can have names of adjoining boundaries. You understand? So now we start by making this hollow. Start by making all of them hollow. Isn't it? Make this hollow. Make this hollow. Isn't it? We make this hollow so that it will be left with only this. So this now, we don't need this one. And this we only need the state. So we don't even need the local government here. We only need the state, isn't it? Is this local government or state? And this is the state. So where is the state? We have the state here. Yeah, so we need this into a color, isn't it? Saying that that is what the state we are working on. And when we come here, we will remove this, or rather still we make it hollow, and make only the local government. Where is the local government? Make only the local government with the same color we made for the first. Are you getting it? And lastly, which is the local government now? We'll bring the state into it. Okay, this is the local government. We'll bring the state into it. Come on. Why is it not showing? This state is not showing here. First, we need to make this the same color as the up ones. Secondly, we bring in okay. It was the states we bring in here. So now we don't need the state. Okay, so we don't need the state. Rather, we need the local government, which is LGA. It's not there. So you see now. So the next thing is that we're going to use this to make it bigger. Now the idea is to have it bigger and have other adjoining boundary. This place will now have adjoining boundary. Then what name of what is here? So that anybody looking at it will know, okay, this is a local government, this is a local government, this one is going to another state. So do you understand the whole composition? All right, so let me do that here. So this is Kaduna State. So I'm just going to say here, and this I'm going to add the state to it, isn't it? Come on. So I'm going to bring this GA to it. Alright. Then I'll make this a color of my choice so that it should be written all over, isn't it? So I'm going to make the local government hollow. Then remove the state. Are we together? Then I'm going to silence this local government and make the state a color of my choice, which is still this color, isn't it? And finally is the study location now, which is Kaduna North and South. So I'm going to add the local government to it. Then I'm going to expand it. Hope you're understanding. Not just Yao. So we're just going to say this, and then we expand it to such a way that it fits into us. So we expand it to only have the study area. So we're going to use this tool. And we'll use the pan to adjust it. So now we have where to write which local government is this, which local government, and which local government is this, isn't it? So we're going to change this color to the same color we have up. So do you now see the composition? You now see the composition. We have Nigeria to Kaduna State and then to the study area. That's the simple analogy we just explained. So the next thing, you just fix them to where you want. If you're done with positioning them, you begin to add you're going to add grid individually. You are going to add grid for all of them. So you go to your right click on each of you have to also return back to your this in order not to disrupt anything. So you right click individually and go to properties. Then you go to grid. You add grid to it. You add the first grid and then you go next. Then you remove that line, only labels only. You don't include the graticals. So we go next, and finish. So you click on apply. Then you move aside to check. Okay, like mine is too plenty. You see that there are so many of them. Yours is okay. So I'll just remove the grid and do a new grid. So when I go, I'll now maybe bring this to 1 minute, 30 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Then make this label only. Then go next till I finish and apply. It has reduced, but it's still not enough. So let's go. So let's say 10 of 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 seconds. So you have to try and check it before you do anything. So I think it has reduced, but I forgot to I forgot to make it labels only. So I'm going to say 10 degrees, 10 minutes, 30 seconds, not degrees. So that's reduced. So I'm going to remove this graticle. Then click on apply so that it will be only that one. Okay, so we see we have minimal number. So we'll now go to properties. Right click on it and go to properties. Now on the properties under the labels, I'm going to increase the font size to 12. You have not gone to properties. See properties now, and then you go to labels. This to 12, and you check this and check this, and you're okay. Do property and see, you see. So that's what that does. So yes, that is what we are. But what I'm telling you is not degree and seconds we are looking at. Did you see the way this one aligned? When you put it at first, it was going like that, but now it aligned. That's the purpose of what we just did. You can see that before this one was going like this, one was going like this one was going like this, but then now everything has blended to the cycle. Now let's add this one so that you see what I'm telling you again. See what I'm saying? See this one is going like this, going like this, going. So that's the purpose of when we go to properties. See, look here, when you go to property, you increase the font size. Then when you click on this left and this right, and then bold, then you click on OK, click on. You see what it has done to it? That is what I was talking about. So you add them for all of it. Then once you are done adding, and the next thing you do is you create a line, because most of the times when you use Microsoft On, it always gives you, it will be moving your work up and down. So what I advise you do is to come here, look here. You come here, look at what I'm showing you first. You come to this place. Are you seeing it? You come down to line. So this line you will draw from here.
No, go back in the line.
Finish what you're doing first. Click on OK now. Now, your drawing tool is not showing. So you bring it. This drawing tool is very important. You always have it somewhere here. So on the drawing tool, you see, you go down, you see line. So I say you draw line from here and you double click. Once you double click, right click on that line, go to properties. So I'm going to draw the line. See, I select line. So I'm going to draw line from here to here. I'll double click. Then I'll right click on this line, go to properties. And on the property, I'm going to leave it at 2. Then I'm going to make the color red. Then I'm going to go to change symbol. Then when you come to change symbol, you say edit symbol. Oh, sorry, not edit. Before edit, scroll down. Before you scroll down, you see arrow that is going like this. See? Arrow N. See this N arrow?
Yeah.
Select it. This. Just scroll down, you see an arrow. See arrow. Click on it. And then you click on this color and change it to red. Then you click on, change that one to red. Then click on symbols. Then go to line properties. Line properties now. Then you click on properties again. Don't change anything, just properties down. Then click on symbols. Then you change the color to red. So you begin to OK. OK. Yes. OK. OK. Okay. Okay, everything. Keep going. Okay. Okay. Now you see that from here to here it has an arrow that is showing red. Then you now draw another line again.
Go to drawing.
Click a drawing, just the line to. It's a drawing. See what we are saying now. Here. It's always rectangle, but you change it by coming to line. So you draw again from here to here. Draw that one yourself. So I'm going to click on the line. I'm going to draw from here to inside the study area. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just double click when you click here, you just double click when you come here. So right click now, do the next one yourself. So that is come. What happened to your first one? You do 80. You do not know what?
I don't know what I did. And it is.
So do that again. So now you already know how to add the other things now. You add how to add all of the other things like adding your not arrow, your legend or anything. So you just add them and then you make your map. The more creative you are, the better your chances. Alright? So once you're done with that, you're done with study area map. Do you understand? I just wanted to show you how you can compose.
We'll add to every.
If you want to. But you have to. Now look at something. Look at something very important. You must also come. You see this tool here. It serves a very great purpose. With it, you can use it to create a neat line around each of them. Then go to property. I'll make this without color. You make this bit black and okay. You see. So it's demarcating. Yes. So you can easily shift it and add not arrow inside. All right. Yeah. So you do that for all of them, and then begin to. You can only add one not arrow. You can add as many not arrow as possible. Add there. Like you can put their what Veros legend and all of that. So at the end of the day, everything is purely your choice. So do we have a better understanding now? Any questions so far? Huh? You say? It's alright. So then you right click and go to properties. Then you make the fill color, make it no color. No color. Then you click on OK. So you do that for all of them and all of that. So I believe you have a better understanding now. So please try complete all the other things that we've talked about so far. So I'll see them tomorrow. Try watch the video. So tomorrow is our last module, and I believe we'll be able to finish everything. All right. So just try and finalize the whole thing. I'll upload the video once I settle down. Then you go through it again.